everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I am Zabaish Abdi and today I am going to teach you how to draft a basic sleeves pattern using the block on fold method. So grab your drafting tools and let's get started. So full sleeves length is 58 cm, round wrist is equal to 16 cm and armhole circumference is 41 cm in my case. First take your pattern paper and fold it in half because we will be drafting the sleeves on fold. Draw a vertical line from the folded edge to mark the full length of the sleeves, which is 58 cm in my case. At the top of your folded line, draw a horizontal line to start the armhole section. To find the depth of the armhole, use the formula armhole circumference divided by 4. So 41 divided by 4 is equal to 10.25 cm in my case. Mark the line at 10.25 cm from the top edge. This will be the armhole depth line. So to create the guide for your armhole curve, we need to draw a slant line. Use the formula armhole circumference divided by 2. So 41 cm divided by 2 is equal to 20.5 cm. Draw a slant line of 20.5 cm from the shoulder point down to the armhole line. This will help us shape the armhole curve later. Moving to the bottom of your sleeves and mark the wrist line, use the formula round wrist divided by 2 plus 2 cm to add ease. So 16 divided by 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 cm in my case. Draw a horizontal line at the wrist point that is 10 cm wide. Connect the wrist line to the slant line using a ruler. to form the sleeve side seam. To perfect the armhole shape, divide the slant line into 3 equal parts. 20.5 cm divided by 3 is equal to 6.8 cm. Mark these divisions as point A and B. Now further divide the first and third section into 2 equal parts. So 6.8 cm divided by 2 is equal to 3.4 cm. Label these new divisions as points C and D. Now refine the back armhole curve. From the corner, go 1 cm inward. At point A, mark 1 cm upward. At point D, mark 0.5 cm downward. Using a pencil, draw a smooth curve connecting these points. Once satisfied, outline it with a black marker to the back armhole. Erase any remaining pencil markings. For the front armhole curve, at point C, go 0.5 cm upward, and at point B, mark 1 cm downward. Draw a smooth curve using a pencil, then outline it with a blue marker. Erase any extra pencil lines to keep your pattern clean. Finally, draw a straight vertical line down the center of the sleeves pattern to indicate the grain line. This ensures the fabric is cut properly and won't twist when sewn. Your sleeves block is now completed. Now let's cut it out. Keep the pattern folded and first cut along the outer edges, then cut the back armhole curve while folded. Now open up the pattern and cut the front armhole curve. And there you have it, your basic sleeves block is ready. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more such type of content, tutorials and tips. Goodbye, take care, see you next time.